Sari stars, how are things going on in your sari world? I am Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I have for you a beautiful hand-woven collection of Kanjivaram silk saris. These saris are just perfect for the summer weddings. So let's get started with this lovely collection. We begin with a festive Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a gorgeous combination of yellow and green, and it has checks all over. The body of the sari has gorgeous cuttums in shades of yellow and mustard, and there are zari lines around these grids. The borders are in a gorgeous, beautiful shade of green, and there are two zari stripes on the borders. The short green pallu of the sari has seepareke in zari. The sari comes with a green blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. You can accessorize this lovely sari with a red antiquette. Yellow is a very auspicious color, and in this sari, yellow combined with green makes this sari look absolutely beautiful. A gorgeous Vanasingaram Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a beautiful combination of green and pink. The body of the sari is in a gorgeous shade of green, and there are Vanasingaram motifs, that is animal motifs of deer, horses, tiger, elephant all over the body. The borders are in a beautiful deep magenta pink, and there are Rudraksha motifs and temple motifs inside. The pallu of the sari is in a beautiful shade of magenta pink, and it has intricate zari motifs of pakshis, diamonds, and manga or paisley motifs. The blouse piece of the sari is in the same magenta pink as the pallu and the borders. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. You can accessorize this sari with traditional gold or diamond jewelry. Vanasingaram is a coveted design, and every Kanjivaram silk sari lover wants to own a Vanasingaram sari. The simplest of saris are often the most elegant ones. We have for you a beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari in beige. The body of this Kanjivaram silk sari is in a lovely shade of beige, and there is a zari stripe along the edges of the sari. The pallu of the sari has zari lines and a zari band. The sari has a running blouse fabric, but given that it is a beige sari, you can pair this sari with almost any blouse. You can accessorize this sari with contrast jewelry depending on the blouse you choose to pair it with. This is a very versatile sari, and you can dress it up depending on the occasion. Vairavusi is a grand Kanjivaram silk sari, and it's usually a part of a bridal trousseau. We have for you a gorgeous, stunning Vairavusi silk sari in a beautiful shade of royal blue. The body of this gorgeous Vairavusi Kanjivaram silk sari is in this rich shade of royal blue, and there are zari lines or usi along the length of the sari. There are small zari buttas on the body of the sari. The borders of the sari have darbar pet motifs and there is a short green selvage which highlights the beauty of this border. The splendid pallu of the sari is breathtaking and there are zari motifs of gudara, that is horses, mail chakram and pakshi motifs all in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric, but you can pair this sari with a gold tissue blouse. You can accessorize this grand sari with traditional gold or diamond jewelry. This is a majestic Kanjivaram silk sari, perfect for bridal occasions like Ujal and reception. Paimadi Kattam is a kind of Kanjivaram silk sari which has a textured weave. We have a beautiful Paimadi sari for you in an unusual color combination. This gorgeous Paimadi Kanjivaram silk sari has the grids in various fruity colors. This makes it an absolute delight. The sari doesn't have borders, but there is a zari stripe along the edges and a short pink selvage. The pallu of the sari is pink and it has zari lines and a zari band. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same pink as the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with a nice kemp adigar. This is a Kanjivaram silk sari that you can wear regularly. You can also wear it for small occasions and events. Ivory and red is a much loved combination. Again, this is a must have in every Kanjivaram sari lover's wardrobe. We have a gorgeous Kanjivaram for you in this beautiful combination. This is a beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari in ivory. The body of the sari has pakshi motifs in zari. This is a Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari. The borders are Korvai borders here in deep red and there are two zari stripes along the borders. There is a beautiful short green selvage which highlights the beauty of this sari. The pallu of the sari is a rich, deep red and it has zari motifs of pakshis, yana, that is elephants, and diamond motifs all in zari. The sari has a deep red blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a beautiful green blouse. You can accessorize this sari with traditional gold or diamond jewelry. Ivory and red is one of the most traditional combinations. This sari in this beautiful combination is absolutely perfect for special occasions. This is a very festive Kanjivaram silk sari with all over kattans or checks in beautiful shades of pink and yellow. The body of the sari has all over kattans or checks in shades of pink and yellow. The sari doesn't have borders, but there is a beautiful short green selvage and a zari stripe along the selvage. The pallu of the sari is a gorgeous deep bottle green and it has seepareka in zari. The sari has a green blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. A green adigar will look fabulous with this sari. Checks give a smart look when draped, and this sari in these festive colors is absolutely perfect for small occasions and events. A gorgeous Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari in a fabulous combination of black and maroonish red. This one has very unique motifs. The body of this sari is in a stunning black and the Korvai borders are in a deep maroonish red. There are 5 bands of motifs in a combination of thread and zari, and the motifs are absolutely unique and hard to come by. The pallu of the sari is in a very rare design. It's in a deep maroonish red and the motifs are Swarga Vasal, which translates to gateway to heaven. The blouse fabric of the sari is in the same color as the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold or diamond jewelry. Pearl jewelry will also look fabulous with this sari. This sari is a collector's piece and it's a must-have if you're someone who loves unique and exclusive Kanjivarams. Our collection of Kanjivarams are sure to make you stand out in a crowd. These are perfect for the weddings that you need to attend during these summer months. To shop for our beautiful Kanjivarams, head over to our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more saris and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.